That's a big old fish.
All the way from Missouri. That's how they say it down there. Missouri. Y'all from Missouri? Y'all ain't heard that yet? Missouri?
Oh yeah, people say it all the time.
That's how they say it. Missouri. All the way from Missouri. All the way from Missouri to fish like real man. Look at them. Doubled up. Got one on each side. I don't know what yours is. Yours is big, bro. No telling what the hell that is out here. Don't let them whoop you now. I see you struggling over there.
I am.
And you can go ahead and say it's the biggest fish you've ever caught. Captain Derek is awesome. No, I'm just joking. Don't reel no more. He's not that big. He's still a good shark, though.
Yeah.
Atlantic shark. Sharp like a knife. Atlantic shark nose. He got something prehistoric on this side. This is a sport fish. Good job, brother. Look how pretty it is, though. You all right? Hold on, hold on. Reel on his butt, so we'll get it back up here. There you go. Bring him back up. I just want to get one good shot before I kill it. There you go, reel it. Before she puts her hand on that shark. Oh yeah, I mean, if you had a big old hook in your mouth, you'd be a little mad too, huh? Here, brother, get on that. Even out the boat. There you go. Right now. Beautiful. Pretty fish. Good job. Left. There you go. Bring him at left. No, you don't walk. You want to pull the rod. Rod left. There you go. You're knocking it out. I've seen some grown men give up already. Right there. Look at the size of it. Wow.
Wait, can I get him in now?
Not yet. She ain't done yet. Come right. Follow the fish. If she's a female, you can't keep her.
I don't want to keep her. I just want her in. I want my picture, and then I want.
Yes. Come on with it. Look at that. And that's how you catch a black tip, mama.